In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product weight on Shopify. First, open the Shopify website in your browser and head into your admin dashboard. This is where you manage your store's products, orders, and settings. Adding accurate product weight is important because it directly affects shipping rates, label calculations, and delivery options shown to your customers at checkout. Once you're in the admin, look to the left-hand menu and select Products. This brings up your full product list. Find the item you want to update, whether it's a new listing you're setting up or an existing product that needs a correction. Click into that product to open its details page. Take a moment to confirm you're editing the correct item by checking the title and any key identifiers like SKU so you don't accidentally change the wrong product. On the product details page, scroll until you see the section that includes shipping information. Here, you should find a field labeled Weight. This is the value Shopify uses to calculate shipping rates with your chosen carrier or rules. If you don't immediately see it, keep scrolling. Different themes or screen sizes can shift where it appears, but it's always on the product details page. Now, add the weight, enter the number that reflects the product's actual weight, and use the unit selector next to the field to choose the correct unit, such as grams, kilograms, ounces, or pounds. Be consistent with your store's preferred unit system to avoid mismatched calculations. If your product ships with packaging that significantly affects the total weight, consider including that extra amount so your shipping charges remain accurate. Use decimals for precision if needed, and double-check that you haven't confused units. Mixing up grams and kilograms, for example, can cause major differences at checkout. When you've entered the correct weight, click Save at the top or bottom of the page. Wait for the confirmation that your changes have been saved before navigating away. This ensures your weight is stored and used in shipping calculations going forward. That's all you need to do. Open your Shopify admin, go to Products, choose the product you want, find the weight field, enter the correct weight with the right unit, and save. Accurate product weights help prevent undercharging or overcharging for shipping, reduce surprises at fulfillment time, and keep your customers' checkout experience smooth. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to keep your product catalog accurate and your shipping rates on point.